朋友选了这个餐厅请我们吃午餐 ，Fujiyama Japanese Steakhouse 的核心特色是日式花式铁板烧表演。在这里吃饭不只是享受美食，更像是在看一场主厨为你量身定做的甜秀，氛围非常热闹喜庆，特别适合朋友聚会或庆祝生日。招牌就餐体验，围炉而坐与主厨互动。我们大家围坐在一个巨大的铁板烧烤台周围，主厨会在我们面前亲自烹饪所有食材。精彩的花式表演不做菜时，主厨会表演花式耍刀、空中抛接食材，有时会邀请食客用嘴接抛出来的海鲜，以及最经典的喷火洋葱火山 （Onion Volcano）。现场火光四射，气氛非常高调。牛肉是热门必点美食，经典铁板肉类。这里的菲力牛排 （Filet Mignon） 和纽约肉，演牛排做的恰到好处，鲜嫩多汁。海鲜双拼组合，如果想吃得更丰富，这一点海陆双拼，如牛排加大虾，或菲力牛排加扇贝，店里的鱼虾尾 （Lobster Tail） 多汁的比萨鱼 （Teriyaki Salmon） 也很受欢迎。灵魂炒饭 （Fried Rice）， 他们家的铁板大蒜黄油炒饭是必吃项，一般在铁板上炒得喷喷喷，香气扑鼻。灵魂蘸酱 （Yum Yum Sauce）， 吃铁板烧时一定要搭配店家特制的 Yum Yum 酱，一种带微甜的乳白色蘸酱，无论是蘸鸡肉、牛肉还是拌炒饭，味道都非常惊艳。分量非常大，这是一家以性价比和高分量著称的餐厅。套餐通常会附赠日式清汤、沙拉、炒式蔬菜和主食。很多食客表示最后都会吃撑并打包回家，衣服可能会沾上油烟味儿，因为是全开放式现炒。吃完饭身上或多或少会带有一点烤肉和黄油的香气，建议不要穿特别娇贵或容易吸味的衣服。
Woo! Baby chicken. Last one right here. That's a boy. Do you like egg? Yeah? Open your mouth and catch it. No?
Too hot.
Not like that, yeah. That's a bro. Woo. There we go. All right. There we go. I got the veggies right here. Woo! All the way from Walmart. Yeah, don't worry, so fresh. Great value. Just maybe. All right, not a fire. Got a volcano right here ready. Oh yeah. Watch this and focus, okay? Ow! I feel good. Alright, here you go. Volcano time. Ready. Put some oil. Little bit gas. And fire. There you go. Let it burn. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it burn. It burns. Relax, buddy. It's okay. You're safe. All right, you guys ready to catch it? Sir, I'll start from you, sir. Ready? Let's do it. Here we go. Yes, sir! Ready? Why not? Try it, okay? Ready?
You catch it.
Yeah, you ready?
You want
Yeah,
to try?
ready? No? Okay.
No.
She's ready? Look up. That was close. One more time. One more time. Too short. Last one. Come on, girl.
Oh no.
Man, ready? You good? You have to try it. That was close. One more time. Move your hand. Man, you want to try?
I'm good.
Yes, you are. Come on. It's your first time here. Come on. Ready?
I'm good. Thank you. Yeah.
Here, easy one. You ready, sir?
You really okay?
Here you go. Yes, sir! You want to try again? No? You want to try again, buddy? Let's do it. I got you. You got that, buddy. All right.
Cool.
Go. Sammy, don't want to try it?
I'm good. Thank you.
Strawberry show. It's a rice baby, yeah? Rice baby. Dr. Pepper.
Samozana stary.
MSG. Japanese Pepsi right here. Let's go. It's made Beep, 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 beep. You're my wonderful. Alright, here we go. Get ready for your rice. Let's start from the start. That's your plate? That's your which one? Alright, there you go. Sure. You wanna catch it? Alright, and you guys split, right? Four of you. Careful, that's a very hot. Okay, girl. There you go, buddy. Careful, that's a hot. Oh, you wanna catch it? Help him out. Got a baby shark. Baby shark. Have you tried baby shark, though? No? So, how do you like your steak, sir? And ma'am? Medium? Medium? All medium? Perfect. Game on. Sir.
Bravo, puto. Nossa, cuidado para o baby ko boy. Kunin ba ako lang?